Okay, we're going to do some groups. We're going to do, I don't know, let's do like a J Delta thing where he takes Gucci ammo against some weird stuff like Norma or something. But yeah, let me go get some, load up, do some groups because, yeah, as you see my two siders, I was going to do this target, but that is unacceptable over there. So we're not doing that. Changed their mind. All right, hold up. Right, I'm going to do some Lapua long range. All these are new lots. I just got them. Lapua long range, new lot of pistol match, and a new box of Tac-22. We'll do the Tac last since I was already going to try the long range, but it wasn't working out. See what kind of groups we get. We'll do a 10-shot group up there starting at the top left. I'm thinking, yeah, my board's getting shot up. I might have to put my new target up there soon. But start off with Lapua long range, top left, 10 rounds. And now it shoots. What? Blew out my reference point. I should put it a little higher, huh? But too late. There it is. 10 rounds. Not bad, but if you're trying to hit that little blue circle every time, that is unacceptable. Do 5 more. Oh, it might have been me. That wasn't me. See that shit? That is unacceptable for what the price of this is. I'll never get it again. Okay, let's do some SK. Pistol match. That long range sounds a little hot, so I don't know where this one's going to hit. We're going to find out. Just load this up with my greasy fingers. Wipe those off so they don't slip off the trigger. Okay, my new lot of pistol match. Whoa. Let's go back up. I have to use the rear bag. Okay. Now. Um, oh, that stuck too, like Ely. What the hell? Better check my extractor. Is that it? Yep. Excuse me, allergies. That's a horrible 10-shot group. Oh, let's hope you didn't like this batch. Let's not give up yet. Okay. Holy smokes. No? Oh, oh my gosh. Look at that. That's horrible. All right, that's a pretty bad lot for this gun. Hopefully the CZ likes it. Okay, let's put put 5 through the pipe. Should actually put a rope through it. But let's try this. Put 5 through the pipe. Going to Norma Tac-22. And now. All right. Put 5 through the pipe. To foul the barrel. Wow, that went right through the same hole. I'm going on the cider to the left. Bottom. Middle cider to the left. Huh. Oh. Yeah. Okay. That was a huge piece of wax. This went down in my magazine. Wow. It's like birthday candle wax. Okay. Oh, it's coming up. All right. All right. There we go. Third row down to the left. Ooh. It was doing good. All right. Assuming it was still maybe coming into itself. Let's do 2 more in that group just to make sure. No. No. Okay, 5 more. Next one over. Ooh. All right. There's our little showdown. Bring it down and we'll see how far away they are. All right, kids. Check it out. Yeah, I think today was a bad day for shooting because I went ahead and did the CZ too. It's not on video, but I got it on here. Haha. Anyway, look at that. That was a pretty good 10-shot group. Then it kind of fell apart there. And then the pistol match was horrible. That's horrible. Then Norma Tac, which isn't very good anyway, but it should have done better than that at 50. I mean, this is a better group than this one. So yeah, I think today was a bad day because both rifles, look at that. Okay, there's the long range through the CZ. Here's the pistol match. Did a little better through there, but it's still horrible. And there's the Norma. This was clear up in my wood up here, the 10-shot thing. So I was gonna get a picture of it, but I forgot. And then there's a 5-shot group in Norma through the CZ, which isn't bad. But yeah, I think today was a horrible day to try this out. So we need to do this again because yeah, it was like 104 or something. I don't know if I mentioned in the video, but it was hot. Super hot. Anyway, those are the results. I didn't measure them because they're horrible. You can see that. But alright. Hope you enjoyed this long video. 3 ammo types on a hot day. Didn't do good out of either rifle. Later.